Karibu Telvin and Betty.
Of May the year 2026, join us as we report. SA Joytown begin with the highlights. The school has made strides and excels in national sports, drama and music festivals. Dedicated support staff helped secure students' success. Community support keys to Joytown future school.
Children with special needs, some of them have cancer, yet they are sleeping in a roof that is carcinogenic. We also realize that the capitation they are given does not address their special needs. Braille material is very, very expensive. The books that are given by the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, KICD, they do not produce Braille books, whether for literature, whether for what. These books, then it means that the students who have special needs, who are visually impaired, have to have their colleagues or the teachers summarizing the book for them. Yet the exam set is the same. We are putting them at a disadvantage. Although they say that 27 went to university last year, you can see that they have great potential if only they are given the conditions. So they need their special needs addressed. Capitation should be differentiated. In this primary, you can see almost 99% of the students are on wheelchair. They need diapers. When you give them same capitation as regular schools, you disadvantage them. And most of them are coming from very poor families. Access to education should take care of the special needs through giving equitable capitation, not same capitation based on need. We should never neglect the vulnerable. And the Ministry of Education, the administration of Kenya today should pay attention to special needs. This is an eye. If these are the national schools, what about those other schools in the villages? Yeah, so we need a shift in policy and in funding. There must be a safety route whenever there is a fire. Whatever the cause of the fire, whether criminal or accidental, we are talking of the safety route. Criminal matters will be handled by the investigators. We are talking about safety standards, yes.